Your Majesty, King Abdallah II of the Hashemite Kingdom of Jordan, Excellency Abdel Fattah el-Sisi, President of the Arab Republic of Egypt, Excellency Antonio Guterres, United Nations Secretary General, Excellencies, heads of state and government, distinguished heads of delegation, heads of international organizations, ladies and gentlemen. Allow me first to commend His Majesty King Abdallah, along with President Sisi and Secretary General Guterres, for convening this conference and associating us with such a noble cause. Evidently, the problem at hand is a very complex one. However, that does not mean it is insurmountable. A crisis like this seems to shrink the world. As we gather here, including those of us from other regions, we are all compelled to join forces with a sense of heightened urgency to find a lasting solution. The powers, means, and capacity represented in this room today cannot fail to prompt immediate action to bring an end to the terrible suffering of countless innocent civilians as we are seeing every day. It moves us deeply, and we are here to offer our modest contribution to the tireless diplomatic and mediation initiatives of various countries and organizations to achieve a ceasefire in Gaza. These efforts that have been ongoing must be acknowledged and supported so that we see tangible results as quickly as possible to ensure the protection of children and their families and the alleviation of their devastating circumstances. Facilities such as schools and hospitals or places of refuge where people congregate should neither be used by combatants nor targeted by military operations. The erosion of basic principles against the targeting of civilians under any circumstances is a cause for alarm, because we are not just talking about legal obstructions, but actual human lives. Humanitarian action addresses the immediate needs of people trapped in the horrors of conflict. Ultimately, however, the end we all seek is progress towards a durable security framework and a long-term political solution. Rwanda remains ready to play its part to support this process, determined in our belief that it is possible to see an end to this crisis soon. Once again, I wish to thank the conveners of this conference for taking the lead to ensure that the humanitarian mission in Gaza can be fulfilled. I thank you for your kind attention.